Alan, speaking of frozen lakes, I know that we did have some kind of rising of some temperatures that earlier threatened the thickness of ice, but it sounds like we're going to have enough cold to bring it right back.
It's going to thicken up, I think, a lot of the ice around the state, not only just today, but we're in for prolonged sub-freezing temperatures. Yeah, we'll talk about that. I did something interesting with this graphic.
Okay.
The wind out of the west today, right?
Yeah.
So that red line, this is a reverse trajectory plot on where our air was the day after Christmas. There it was in Nunavut, Canada, north of the Hudson.
My brain already hurts,
Look at
Alan.
That's why it's cold.
Yeah, it's really cold air.
It's novelty to me because I'm seeing all this for the first time from a forecast perspective, but you know, it's Arctic in origin, and you see the highway for it with the big lobe of low pressure right over the St. Lawrence River Valley. And this low isn't going to move a whole lot thanks to this blocking pattern that we're in. It's a Greenland block, high pressure near Greenland, that bunches up the flow of the atmosphere. And for Maine, it means that we're locked into a cold forecast. This is through the weekend. That Greenland block hangs out near Greenland, hence the name. But watch what happens to this into next week. It moves to the south and away. And that does a couple of things. One, it puts us into a more favorable position to perhaps catch more systems through here. And two, it allows for temperatures to come up a little bit. So locked into the cold through the weekend and then touch milder into next week thanks to the Greenland block going away. So the system that has brought the cold is north of here, certainly very frigid feeling outside. We're going to be paying attention to a piece of upper level energy that is, again, up in Canada, west of the Hudson Bay, and that is going to work our way, and this is the catalyst for curiosity that I was referencing earlier. This piece of energy comes through here on New Year's Eve and day, and that will be where the snow chance comes in from. It'll be because of that energy drifting through. Tomorrow, a cold start near 10 in southern Maine, sub-zero to the north. And then as the day goes on, New Year's Eve, clouds will be thickening up throughout the day. It'll stay chilly, highs up around 30 or so. And then the snow starts to filter in around midnight. But the thing that will be very important to the snow outlook will be the development of a coastal low along the mid-coast and down east. And wherever this does develop, we're thinking snow totals will likely be to a higher number around that low. This all moves out Thursday afternoon, but not before plowable snow falls in down east Maine. So we're looking at 3 to 6 inches there, less to the south and north, 1 to 3 inches in places like Bangor and the mid-coast. Tomorrow on the water, 7 to 10 foot waves, west wind still cranked up 20 to 30 knots. Again, cold is the flavor of the forecast over the rest of this week and into the weekend. Some sub-zero overnight lows. Again, we do have that snow chance Wednesday night, more so into Thursday morning, and I think the best chance will be down east Maine. Staying cold through the weekend, perhaps a few more snow chances Sunday and again Tuesday of next week. So
Very cold.
Yeah.
it is. You did quotes earlier. It's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah.
We can run with that. All right, Alan, thanks.